The number one challenge facing salespeople today is not knowing who to call or how to reach them. Gartner came out with a stat where they found your average salesperson spends only 33% of their day actually selling. And that's insane. Once you figure out that first piece, then what is the actual strategy or sort of plan of attack in reaching out to these people to get as many of them to engage with you and respond as possible?
When you take DiscoverOrg, you solve the first part of that problem. Who to call, what company to call, what person to call, then take those prospects, move them directly into a sequence into outreach, tag the records on their way in, and then in real time keep that data auto-refreshed. And that then manages the rest of the workflow for the sales representative.
Great sales is about making a great impression and capturing the hearts and minds of the people you want to sell to. You have to understand who you're talking to, but you also need to use that information to engage them effectively and ensure your sales team has access to all that information.
The aha moment was, wow, we have this great information and outreach has this great platform. If we linked the two, then sales reps could truly be unstoppable.
So the way the integration works is you take that list that you have in DiscoverOrg, in one seamless click you can add it into outreach into a specific sequence that you've built out, and now all of your messaging throughout that sequence can reference business intelligence and how you integrate well or compete well. So between the two, you're organized, you know exactly what to do with your day, and it gets a lot easier to hit the activity metrics that are expected of you. So your job and your day is just planned.
The foundation of a true account-based sales strategy is honing in on your target accounts and carefully choosing your personas within those accounts. That's something that DiscoverOrg does really, really well. Then to engage those accounts, you're going to need account playbooks and well-tuned persona-based messaging for your prospects. And that's where the rubber meets the road inside outreach.
When information comes over from DiscoverOrg into outreach, it comes over in a complete way. It shows the industries that the company is in, it shows what their technology stack looks like, it has complete information around title and job responsibilities. And the reason that's important to a manager at an enterprise sales company is downstream, they can look at what message is resonating and they can look at that in outreach and do their analytics in outreach, but because of the integration with DiscoverOrg, they have complete information on the records that are moving through their system.
The future of account-based sales will always be rooted in great data and incredible engagement workflows. We're thrilled to work with DiscoverOrg to build a streamlined account-based sales stack that makes organizations more effective.